Imagine sending a document to an AI and getting an intricate, insightful answer back before you finish your cup of coffee. Not just faster than before, 14 times faster. That's not sci-fi. That's OpenAI's newest power move. The Ultrafast mode for its latest model, GPT-5.6 Sol, ever felt bottlenecked by AI processing speed, especially in a high-stakes business situation. That roadblock just got obliterated. Before we dive in deeper, if you want cutting-edge AI news and honest takes on tech that can actually help your business, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let's build a smarter, faster community together. So, what's the big deal with this new Ultrafast mode? In one word, performance. OpenAI just announced a preview of an accelerated version of their flagship GPT-5.6 Sol model, specifically aimed at delighting enterprise clients who demand speed and stability at scale. We're talking about slashing wait times for responses, automating complex workflows, and enabling entirely new business processes that were previously impossible due to lag. Let's break down why Ultrafast isn't just marketing hype. It's a legitimate game changer. The core upgrade here is speed. GPT 5.6 Sol, already OpenAI's most advanced AI system, now operates 14 times faster in Ultrafast mode. That's like trading in last year's sports car for a Formula One machine. For organizations relying on real-time data, customer support automation, legal compliance, or financial analysis, every second literally counts. But let's put that 14 times number into context, because faster doesn't mean much until you feel it. Say a standard AI model takes 20 seconds to review a 50-page contract and flag the risky clauses. In Ultrafast mode, that same task drops to just over a second. A legal team that reviews 500 contracts a month just went from nearly 3 hours of pure waiting to a few minutes. That's not a speed bump. That's a completely different workflow. The same logic applies to a customer support agent who needs an answer on a billing dispute while the customer is still on the line, or a financial analyst who needs a live risk summary before the market closes. When the wait disappears, the job itself changes. Why this sudden push for speed? OpenAI's real target is the enterprise market, businesses with thousands, maybe millions, riding on every interaction. Think about massive call centers, digital health record management, or newsrooms working to break stories faster than ever. For these sectors, AI isn't just a cool toy, it's critical infrastructure. A laggy model could mean lost sales, botched reports, or a missed breaking news headline. Ultrafast mode, on the other hand, helps these companies scale without sacrificing quality or compliance. Let's talk numbers and use cases. Today's leading AI models gobble up vast resources, which means delayed responses for users. GPT 5.6 Sol's Ultrafast mode is built around a new optimization layer that prioritizes responsiveness, ensuring that 14 times acceleration is consistent, not just a best-case scenario during low traffic hours. Imagine rolling out a new customer self-service FAQ that delivers complex answers, like contract terms or shipping calculations, in less than a second, no matter how many customers log in. Here's a real business scenario for you. Say you run a global e-commerce brand. 2 users, one in London, one in Seoul, both want custom product recommendations. Previously, they'd wait precious seconds for the AI to analyze inventory, apply personal preferences, and deliver a tailored match. Now, Ultrafast mode makes that basically instantaneous. That leads to higher conversion rates, better user satisfaction, and repeat sales. All because the AI isn't stopping to catch its digital breath. Now here's an extra point most coverage misses. Speed changes the economics, not just the experience. When a model responds 14 times faster, the same infrastructure can handle dramatically more requests in the same window. For a business running AI at scale, that means either serving far more customers on the same budget or cutting latency costs while keeping volume steady. It's the rare upgrade that helps the top line and the bottom line at once. More throughput, a better experience, and a more predictable bill. That's why CFOs should be paying as much attention to this as CTOs. And there's a second angle worth watching. What faster AI unlocks for smaller teams. A 2-person startup can't afford a round-the-clock support team, but it can now afford an AI assistant that answers customers the moment they ask. No waiting, no tab left open in frustration. Speed lowers the barrier to building products that used to require an entire engineering department. That's where the real disruption starts. But how does OpenAI actually pull this off? The company rebuilt the serving infrastructure underlying the model applying fresh tactics for distributing workloads across supercomputers. They didn't reveal every technical detail, but the result is a model that, in practice, feels as responsive as typing into a text box and getting the answer as you finish your sentence. For any developer or CTO out there, this means you can now build apps that weren't possible before. Lightning-fast document summarization or contract review in regulated industries. OpenAI in preview. OpenAI is careful to clarify that Ultrafast is still in preview. Right now, access is limited, and there are likely some growing pains as they iron out the bumps. But the ambition is clear. Bring this accelerated power to the masses, especially those who need industrial-strength reliability. Enterprise users care just as much about security, uptime, and accuracy. Early feedback on Ultrafast indicates that none of these core values are being sacrificed for the sake of speed. OpenAI's pitch is clear. You get the best of both worlds. The same nuanced responses and deep reasoning you expect from Sol, just at a blisteringly fast pace. Now you might be thinking, great, but is this only for Fortune 500 companies? While the initial rollout is geared for enterprise customers, historically, OpenAI's advancements trickle down pretty quickly. So if you're running a startup, building a SaaS tool, or just want a better chatbot on your small business website, it's worth keeping an eye out for wider access. So let's zoom out. Why does this matter? With rivals like Anthropic and Google DeepMind rapidly launching their own high-speed AI tools, OpenAI's move to Ultrafast is a clear message. They're not just leading in intelligence, but in velocity. In business, the company that acts and reacts the fastest usually wins. To wrap it up, GPT-5.6 Sol's Ultrafast mode isn't just an upgrade. It's an invitation to reimagine what you can automate and optimize. If you've ever wanted to eliminate lag, streamline workflows, and make AI a true business accelerator, now's the time to pay attention. Don't forget, if you got value from this breakdown, like this video, subscribe for more actionable AI updates, and share your thoughts or specific use cases in the comments below. What would faster AI unlock for you? And be sure to check out the related video right here, where we take a deeper look at the future of AI, the trends shaping the industry, and what these developments could mean for businesses and everyday users. See you in the next one.